if you look at the back here, there's 3 bolts that you need to get to, and they are all 10 millimeter. One of the most helpful things was to pick up this inspection mirror that I got from Harbor Freight. You get one of the ones where it like flexes right here, and that's how I set it up in the engine bay. I just kind of shimmied it in there. Set this thing up to where the mirror is like right at the back of the solenoid, where you can see the bolts. And I also picked up this light from Harbor Freight as well, with the magnet on the bottom. This thing has been complete game changer on working on cars for me. This thing is freaking awesome. But I set this up in the engine bay, like here, right down here. And I was able to set up that way, mount the light on the frame rail here. I was able to actually see the bolts at the back of the solenoid to get the thing off. Shit like this makes me want to give up on this car. Alright, there it is. Whew. part of the job that made my back sore a little bit. I'm not very tall, I'm only 5'7", so working on this thing, with the car being at stock height, I pretty much had to lean all the way over the edge of it.